Hello everyone, myself Vaishnavi, studying in 7th class. Today we are discussing the topic of Newton's laws of motion from the subject of biology. Newton's laws of motion are mainly three types. Okay, what are the three types? Let us discuss. Law of inertia, law of momentum, law of reaction. Today we are discussing the first law, law of inertia. Okay, what is the law of inertia and what is the statement and what is the meaning of that? I will say you. The statement of the law of inertia is, if a body is in resting position, it is said to be in the resting position. If a body is in a moving position, it is said to be in the moving position. If a body is in rest, when we add external force to that body moves. When we add external force to that body only, that body moves. I will say the meaning of that. Okay, this is the resting car. How we can say that that is a resting car? By we are observing that. Because of observing, we can say that that is in the resting position. Okay, this is the same car, but it is moving. How can we say that? Because it is moving. We can observe that and we can say that it is in the moving car. Okay, this is the same car that is in the resting position. And what is external force? I will say you. This is the external force and this is the resting car. When external force is added to that body moves. External force is only added to that body and that body moves. And what is the external force meaning? I will say you. This is the same resting car and this is not external force. This is single force only force. Okay. This is added to that body moves. And we are adding this force by outside. So, it is external force. So, this is the meaning of external force. I will tell you with an example. Okay. We will sit in a bus. Okay. Think it is a seat of the bus. Okay. We are humans. Okay. We are sitting before like this we will sit. We will sit back side only. Okay. Then our body habited to live in that position only. Okay. When the bus starts front, our body will come back and we will do this much of motion also. Our legs does not habitate. Our legs this much of habitat. This much of motion also we did means our legs are in the motion habitat. So our legs come front and our body go back. Why our body go back? Because of inertia. We will stay back like that. When the bus moves, suddenly how can we come to the position? So we will come back. Okay. And you should may have that doubt that what is inertia means. What is the meaning of inertia and what is the statement of inertia? I will say you. What is inertia? Inertia means that our body habitat to live in that motion is called the inertia. I will say you with an example. Example, train. Example, train. Okay. What is a train? What is the example of the train? Okay. How that we will travel in the train? Okay. How we will feel? We will feel like that. The train moves like this. We will feel like that. Okay. That is our feeling. So, our body habitat to in this motion. So, when we come home after the journey, wherever we sit or stand or sleep our body wants to feel like that. We don't want to feel, but our body habitat to live in that motion. Because of that, our body feels like that. When our body feels, usually we also feels like that. I will say you with another example. Okay. Another example is swimming pool. Swimming pool. What is swimming pool? the water floats like this now, and this is the swimming pool. These are the humans, man, woman, girl, someone. Okay, what is the example of swimming pool? Means we will feel like this. We will feel like this now when we are in the swimming pool. Our water floats like this. Up to here only the water flows. Why? Because we will come inside deeper. So our body feels like this. But when we come home, full day or half day also, for every 5 seconds also, we feel like this, or we are in the swimming pool, means our body habituated to live in that motion. So when we come home also, our body feels like that. Sit, stand, sleep, any work we do also, our body feels like that. But when we are in the important work, our body doesn't feel like that, because of concentration on that work. We will concentrate on study, okay? We doesn't feel like that. And we concentrate on sitting, we feel like that. Why? Without work we are sitting, so our body feels like that. With work we are sitting and doing means our body doesn't feel like that. So this is called the inertia. And another 2 laws we will discuss in the next video in later. Okay, any doubts and corrections? Please comment me in the comment section. Please, thank you for watching and subscribe and share to your classmates and friends.